Broadband providers are a lot like referees. If they are doing a perfect job, you do not even notice they are there. You just go about your day. You stream your shows. You win your games. You finish your work. Everything feels seamless. That is the exact vibe people are getting from this latest wave of high-speed fiber services. It is that set it and forget it gold standard. I spent some time looking into what the actual users are saying across the web. The general consensus is fascinating. When you look at the technical side, the connection is rock solid. People who have swapped over are reporting speeds that actually hit the marks promised in the flashy advertisements. They're not seeing those annoying random drops in the middle of a big download. It is a premium product through and through. They are packing in the absolute latest wireless hardware. This is not the dusty old plastic box your previous provider gave you 5 years ago. This is cutting-edge tech. It is designed to handle dozens of devices at once. Think of a house where everyone is online at the same time. One person is gaming in the back bedroom. Another is streaming a massive movie in the lounge. Someone else is on a crucial video call in the kitchen. For a lot of cheaper setups, that is a recipe for a total meltdown. But the feedback here is that the hardware holds up under pressure. Now, it is not all sunshine and rainbows. If you live in a massive house with thick walls, you might still find some dead zones. You might need to look into a mesh system to push that signal into every corner. That is just the reality of wireless physics. You cannot really blame the provider for the bricks in your walls. However, the real drama starts when things go wrong on the administrative side. If you head over to the big consumer review sites, the tone shifts instantly. You see a lot of heated opinions. People are frustrated with the long wait times on the phone. They are annoyed by unexpected billing changes or price hikes. Some folks feel the cost is a bit too steep for what they get. It creates this weird split personality for the brand. On one hand, you have a top-tier technical achievement that works like a dream. On the other hand, you have a customer service experience that can feel a bit more traditional and frustrating. You are essentially paying a premium price for a premium performance. If you are the type of person who just wants the absolute lowest price every single month, this probably is not the right path for you. There are cheaper, slower options out there that will save you a few pounds if you do not mind the occasional lag. But if your daily life or your career depends on that connection being fast and reliable, the trade-off starts to make a lot of sense. This is especially true if you are already using their mobile service. It ties everything together in a neat, powerful package. It all comes down to what you value most. Is it the total peace of mind that comes with raw speed? Or is it the extra cash in your pocket at the end of the month? For the power users, the answer seems pretty clear. They want the speed. They want the stability. They are willing to deal with the occasional customer service headache if it means the internet never fails when they need it most. It is a calculated risk. You are betting that the service will be so good that you never actually have to pick up the phone to call support. When the internet is this fast, you stop thinking about the provider and start focusing on what you are actually doing online. That is the goal for any good service. You want it to be a utility that just works, like water or electricity. This provider is getting very close to that ideal, even if the billing department occasionally trips over its own feet. It is a premium vibe for a premium price. You are buying into a network that is built for the future, not just for right now. If you are a gamer, you know that every millisecond counts. You want that low latency. You want those downloads to finish in minutes, not hours. That is where the service really shines. It handles the heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. It is about removing the friction from your digital life. If you can stomach the monthly bill and the occasional customer support queue, you are getting some of the best internet available today. It is fast. It is reliable. It is exactly what high-end broadband should feel like in this day and age.